Guys, give me a minute, guys, okay? Hi, guys. How are you all? Hey, what is going on, Dhwani? You have to educate me. What's going on at school?
Um, we finished our unit and my semester exams this Wednesday.
Oh, this Wednesday?
Yeah,
Okay, for this Wednesday, what are the topics that are covered, Amma?
I mean, like, well, whatever we've done this whole semester is just on the semester exam.
Can I give you a review? Would that help you all?
Yeah.
Good to know. Let me see that. Arya, how are you doing, Arya?
I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm just studying for the semester exam.
Okay. Um, for this 9 weeks, you've already sent the sheet, right, Dhwani, to me?
Yeah, I sent you the like the schedule for like the last unit we did.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, so you already told me, right? Module 5 and module 7, correct, guys, for you?
Yeah, it's like, but for the semester exam, it's everything. So it's like module 1 through 7. But we didn't do module 6.
Session 1 as well, they'll take into account, huh?
Yeah, because it's a semester exam, so it's both 9 weeks.
Both? Okay. Okay. So, okay, guys, I'll leave it to you. You want me to review or go over cubic functions, continue with cubic functions? What do you want me to do? I'm okay with either.
Can we review? Yeah.
Sure. Review now. I don't want to review from the book. Some other difficult questions I want to review and review. Let's see. But then next, when we are going to meet after the holidays after this, right? So I will have to continue with cubic functions for you guys. And then, oh, we go to rational functions, expressions, equations. Oh, that's a lot, guys. Whatever is coming up is going to be a little tricky. Okay, let's see. Anyway, I'm not going to review from the book then. Parvini, what are you doing in school?
My final exam is on Tuesday.
Fine. Oh, you also have a final exam, which is good for you. Okay. On any other topic other than what we have covered that you have covered in school, ma?
I don't think so, Auntie.
Let's see. Let's see. Anyway, I'll start giving questions, then you'll know. Mathematics. Let me see. Then we'll review how much ever I can for sure. Okay, first let me start with module 7 that we covered. Arya, did you get the answer key?
Yeah. You
For
sent it.
whichever. Okay, good.
Miss Priya, did you post homework for this week?
I didn't.
Because I couldn't see anything for this
Oh
week.
my
I also
God.
texted you.
Yes, Dhwani, I did see your message now, for which I have not replied to you, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm getting overwhelmed with messages and all. I didn't see, I mean, I'm just looking at it now. I just saw because I went to see what module. No, it was not posted. Ma. Sorry about it. Okay. But you know what? I will make sure I have something for you for the holidays to review on rational expressions. Sorry, Madhvani, but I'll post a review tonight itself, soon after the class. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now before I move on, let me quickly check. Dhwani has asked for the homework too. I'm just saying, you see, on 7:58 p.m. on Thursday, you've asked. Okay, so polynomials, factoring, dividing. Okay. Okay, let's work on polynomials first and then we'll go. Qualities, rational equations. Where is polynomials? Complex. Okay, we'll start with complex numbers. Okay, that's good. Complex numbers, polynomials, linear factors, quadratic factors. We are not going to have rational expressions. Okay. Module 7, we'll fully do that. Okay, let's see this one. How about this? You know what? I prepared I prepared a homework for you guys, but I don't know what I did because I remember doing it on polynomials. I think I did not share with you guys is what I honestly feel, but let me check. Okay, how about this, guys? How about this? Polynomial degree of degree 3 is divided by a polynomial of degree 2. Oh wow, that's good to know, Arya. You managed to scale it up, looks like.
Yeah.
I'm happy, Arya, for you. Krish, how are you doing in school? Could you educate me? Dhwani as well.
Good.
Put a note to me. Similarly, can you completely linear factorize this? This is just on polynomial, girls. I'll go one by one. We'll do a lot of problems provided you guys are able to keep up with the pace. Let's see. I'll also give you a review of modules. Oh, fully you said, Dama. Okay, let me try. Mostly good. Okay. That doesn't say anything, Dhwani. I mess up. But that's still if you're messing up now, then practice is not enough only, Dhwani. Okay, yeah. But can you educate me if I can help you with it anytime, right? I would be more than happy, ma. Parvini, you also have polynomials, right, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Let me see what other 7A, B, C, 7A, B, C, D, E I have added. I need to see Arya's message.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
what does it mean by linear factorization?
What do you mean by linear factorization? Good question, Arya. That's a typical question that can come in exam. Linear factorization are, see, what are linear factors? Linear factors are factors with leading power of 0 as 1, right? So like x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus root 2, something of this. These are linear factors because the leading power of x is 1. You get it? This is power 2 factors. Am I making sense? This can be called as a polynomial if you think about it. But this is a linear factor. Make sense?
Yes.
It's a quadratic factor, I would say. Got it?
Yeah.
Complete linear factorization means you should be able to express everything as x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Like that. Hey, Adav is here or not? Adav is not here? Oh, okay. I was about to ping your mom. Thanks.
Wait, Miss Priya, could you bring the linear factorization thing back on?
Not there, ma. What are you saying? Meaning I
Could you
don't.
bring the linear factorization thing you just wrote one?
Do you want me to do it on the board?
Yeah.
Is that what do you mean? I don't get it, ma. Sorry.
Like you put an example of like what linear factorization is. Could you bring that back?
Oh, bring that. Okay, sorry. Like this. The top one. Ma, power, basically the power of x. When do you call a linear equation, ma? When do you call an equation a linear equation? See, y equal to, when do you call a linear equation? Y equal to x minus 1, y equal to 5 by 3, x plus 1. These are linear equations, right? Linear factors means these will be your factors. Make sense? Okay. You want me to do it on the board? Let me know quickly. But, okay, so the quotient has to be, Seema, okay, the quotient has to be a linear expression. Good job, because this is 3, this is 2, so the quotient has to be a linear expression. Good job. Good find. I'll check now. I'll do it tonight. I should have done it last week. I feel a little sad, but I'm fine. At least now, better late than never. I can do it on the board if you guys need help, but you have to quickly educate me. Auntie, I didn't get it. I got it. Something of that sort. Good job, Krish. Vagmi, I'll do Shragvi. Good job, Shragvi. Dwani, for the first one, that seems incorrect. Adav, I'll do it on the board. Arya, you're making small minor mistakes, I feel, Arya. Okay, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 10x plus 8. Vagmi, for you, I'm doing it on the board. That's Sahil. There are 2 questions that are on the board. We are doing those 2 questions, Sahil, since you logged in late. So x square, how many x square goes into 5x cube? So 5x cube plus 10x cube plus,
Won't you add a placeholder like 0x?
yeah, 3, 2, 1. 1 second. So this should be 0x plus 2. Good job, ma. So here 5x cube plus, what is this? 5 times 0x square, right? 0x square plus 10x. Now subtract everything. When you subtract everything, I feel everything cancels out, right? Because the minus has to penetrate. Here 4x square will remain plus 8. Now I will do a plus 4 r. Yeah, that was a mistake. 4x square plus 0x, that's not required, plus 8. When you subtract, again, this also changes to subtraction. It will become a 0. So your quotient will be 5x plus 4. That is a
Yeah.
linear factor with the leading power of x as 1. Adav, did I clarify your question?
I didn't know
Yes.
you had to put a placeholder.
Oh, you didn't put a placeholder. Okay, see,
Yeah, I was confused.
ma,
but I
don't
know
forget
now.
it. Yeah,
Miss
I
Priya,
didn't get the second one. I will do, ma.
I
Second,
got 5x plus 4, but I didn't hit the shift hard enough to like click.
how did you get x plus 5? Can
No,
you?
I got 5x plus 4, and then I wrote
Oh,
5x
you typed it in wrongly?
because like I typed it in wrongly. Yeah.
Okay, but be careful in the test, that's all. Okay, Krish got it. I saw. Okay, now Pranav, you did not get it, right? Pranav, did you get it?
No.
Yeah,
Huh?
I got it.
Oh, you got it, Amma. Did you send it, Pranav?
It's confusing, but I understand it.
You understand? Pranav, I also did not see your answer, Pranav. So here there's a polynomial function of degree 3 for linear factorization. How will you linear factorize this? This is a pain. Instead of linear factorizing this is the easiest way. 1, 3, minus 21, minus 40. First, check whether it is in the descending powers of x. 3, 2, power 1, power 0. Good job. We are good. Now, I don't know the linear factors, right? I always try to find out how to find out the linear factors. The coefficient of this,
Would you use rational root theorem?
yep. Can we use the coefficient of this by the coefficient of this. To find out the factors, what we do, to guess the factors, what we do, I can say this is P, this is Q. So plus or minus P by plus or minus Q. Factors of that. Factors of plus or minus P by plus or minus Q. So here P is minus, it's going to be plus or minus, right? So 55 by 1. So factors of 55. What are the factors of 55? 5, 11, right? Plus or minus. So it can be minus 5, minus 11. We have to experiment with all of this. Now, I don't want to experiment with 11. I'll experiment with these two. I'll take a 5 in here. Let's see what I'm getting. 8, 40, 19. 19 times 5, 9 5s are 45, 4, 5, 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That doesn't seem to be. So maybe I'll go ahead and try minus 5. If I put a minus 5 in here, 1 minus 5, minus 2, 10, minus 11, 55. That perfectly matches. See? As a result, if minus 5, I found out that it is a factor. So I will write the reduced polynomial of this as f of x equal to x. See, x equal to minus 5. Then the factor is x plus 5 will be equal to 0, right? So x plus 5 times 1, the leading coefficient was 3. So in the reduced polynomial, the leading coefficient should be 2. X square minus 2x minus 11. Now, how to factorize this? Any way to factorize this? I don't see any way to factorize this. So you know what? What will I apply to get the factors of that? Tell me. What is the best way to get the factors of that? Any thoughts? I don't see that factorizable. So what do I do? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So 2 plus or minus 4 plus 44 by 2. Now the 4 plus 44 is inside a square root 48. So 2 plus or minus square root of 48 means 4 times 12, right? 2 root 12 divided by 2. Here when you look at it, right? So this is 1 plus root 12. Root 12 becomes 2 root 3. Making sense, guys? 1 plus or minus 2 root 3. So I can write this out as x plus 2 root 3, x minus 2 root 3. Okay, multiply and see, then you'll know. If you multiply these two, you will know. X square plus 2 root 3x minus 2 root 3x minus 2 2s are 4, 4 times 3, 12. Is this what we had? Did we have that? X square plus 2 root 3. Then doesn't it, is it not making sense to me, honestly? Something feels so wrong to me. I'll check it once, guys. Oh, minus b, okay, plus or minus b square, okay, minus 4ac divided by 2a. That makes sense. Now minus 44, that becomes plus 44, 48. What is the square root of 48? 4 times 12 or 4 times 4 times 3. Instead of this, 4 comes out and 4 comes out and 4 root 3, right? Okay. 4 root 3 comes out, but then it becomes 2 root 3. So that is 1 plus or minus root 3. Okay. I made a mistake, guys. Okay. So here when I write out the factors, right, this was the mistake. This linear factor was correct. But the second linear factor, what should I should have written? X plus 1 plus 2 root 3, x minus 1. One factor is 1. Okay. When x equal to 1 plus 2 root 3. The other factor is x equal to 1 minus 2 root 3. Now, how do I write it as a factors? X minus 1 minus 2 root 3. Then this one would be, this linear factor would be x minus 1 plus 2 root 3. So the same thing I need to write here. So here x minus 1 minus 2 root 3, then x minus 1 plus 2 root 3. Hey, am I making sense here? So all are linear factors. Am I making sense or no? Did you understand or what?
Yeah.
Our answer is correct actually. I verified. It's a hard problem, but how many of you didn't get it? I'm here to help. Shragvi, the other linear factors were wrong, Amma.
Yeah, I know. It's because when I got to x squared minus 2x minus 11, I factored it wrong.
But do you understand how to factorize?
Yeah, I get it now.
Okay, who did not get it? I'm here to help. Please ask. Arya, Krish, Adav, the three of you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I would like to have a say from Pranav as well. Pranav, I did not ask you with them. Pranav,
Yeah, I think I got it.
okay. Should I give you one more problem of that type? These are all common problems for the final test, guys. Shragvi, do you think we should do one more problem?
Yeah, I'm okay with anything.
Mama, I'm not hearing you. Please be loud, ma.
I'm okay with anything, yeah.
Okay. Do you think we should do one more problem, Arya?
I think I need to practice.
Okay, let me see. I'll give you one more maybe. Sahil and Parvini, did you get it, guys?
Yeah, I got it.
Sahil, no response from you. What is that?
I got it.
You got it? Okay, now let me go ahead. Okay, can I give you one easy one? Let's see. You're going to express this as linear factors. This is a literally easy one. Okay. This doesn't have hard factorization. Tell me, guys, quick, comma, but do it quickly. This one is based on a formula. Let me see whether you remember, guys. But these are important ones. You sit and solve some examples and then go for the exam. Use synthetic division. If you are getting stuck, immediately ping me. Okay. And I want to know what was module 5 now. I really don't remember. Mm. Guys, if you're getting stuck, let me know. I just want to see what is module 5 as well. I'm not doing a justifiable job if we don't do anything in module 5. Oh. Oh, linear quadratic systems. I would like to solve one or two problems in linear quadratic systems. Oh, three variable, three equations. They can ping you like anything, guys, on that. Okay, linear quadratic systems. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. That's something I have not done any problem here in. Let's see.
Miss Priya, can you check my answers?
I am. Give me 1 minute. Yes, I did not check the chat messages. I'm sorry. Arya, that seems right. The second one. Need to go for it's okay, it's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Wait, I'm not able to go to the meeting at all. Why? Just click on this. Click on what? Hover over this. Arya, I am checking. The second one, did you recognize Arya? How did you do? Can you educate me?
I use the in the first one it should have been a minus. I use difference of squares. A difference of cubes.
Good job. Very good job, Arya. As long as you remember, it's fine for me. So it should have been cube na. Oh my god, that's little tricky, guys. To the whole square. It's so confusing, guys. No. Adav, is it the first answer, Adav?
Yeah.
What is that, Dhwani?
Oh, I only wrote this year as an accident. I didn't write it in
No,
the.
I want the linear factorization,
Yeah,
right?
I realized that.
So can you send that to me? Adav, is it x minus 2 the whole square? You have it like that?
Yeah, x minus whole squared
Okay, and after that?
times x plus 3.
But given equation, did you see? It's a 4. Leading power is 4. So there should be 4 linear factors. You have accounted for 3 linear factors. Where is the 4th linear factor?
Okay, I see. Let me try again.
Miss Priya, aren't there only three factors here?
There should be 4, right, Amma?
But like the leading degree is 3.
Oh, wait. What question did I give you? I'm getting it. Oh, okay. There should be 3 factors. 1 second, guys. I have somebody pinging at the door. Hold on. Which of order 3, right? Degree 3, then there should be 3 linear factors. Let me quickly do it and show it to you, I feel. I did not get several answers. I'm a little bothered. 4, 8, minus 11, 3, right? So we need to find out the linear factors. So I would go ahead with plus or minus P by plus or minus Q to get the factors. So P is the constant, Q is the coefficient of the leading degree. So it is 3 by 4. Oh my gosh. So it can be 3 by 4 plus or factors of plus or minus 3 by factors of plus or minus 4. So basically, what it can be, what are the factors of 3 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 1? What are the factors of 4? 4, 1, 2, correct? So it can be 4, 1, 2. So when I start with, right, I would like to start with this so that I find myself safer position. So 3 by 1 or 1 by 1. So I will start with experimenting minus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus or minus 1. I can write plus 1 or minus 1 first. So I'm just crossing off this. And then I'll go to the next ones. Next ones are all fractions. So in this itself, I'm thinking I'll find one. 4, 8 minus 11, 3, right? So I'll go ahead and try the 3 and minus 3. Suppose if I try 3, right? 4, 12, 20, 60. I don't think this is going to come. So let me try maybe 4, 8 minus 11, 3. Now here, 4, 12, 20, 60, 49. It's never going to be the case. I don't think that will work. So let me see minus 3. This is the only way to work it out, but you'll be faster with practice. It is a minus 3, minus 12, minus 4, 12, 1, 0. Oh, wow. Minus 3 is the factor. So I can write this out as x plus 3. That is a factor. If x equal to minus 3, then x plus 3 is a factor. Having said that, what is the reduced polynomial? This was cube. So 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Now, how do I factorize this? Factorizing this is going to be a heavy one. How? I can go with the quadratic formula given the time crunch. Don't try to, you can, okay, really you can do it. Minus 2x, you can do it. But if it doesn't strike you, go with the quadratic formula. Okay, I'm not expecting you to know that, but you can go either with the quadratic formula or direct factorizing, which is fine. Now this would be 2x minus 1 and then minus 1, 2x minus 1. So this is direct factoring. So x plus 3 is always there. For me to reduce it to linear factors, right? 2x minus, so the factors would be x plus 3, this 2x minus 1, and then this 2x minus 1. Any questions, guys? So
Miss
these
Priya,
are, Yama?
I can't see what you're doing, like, below some of the work. I can't see what you're doing. It's just white. Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. I didn't do anything. Okay, that's fine. As long as you see, I'm good. So did you have any questions, anybody? Sahil, are you following Sahil? Sahil? Vagmi? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
After Miss Priya.
Yeah.
After getting x plus 3, right? And then 4x squared because of the leading coefficient, how do you get the rest of the polynomial? Because I got to x plus 3 times 4x squared.
Minus
Oh,
4x.
I forgot that you have to do that.
No problem. I'm glad you're asking. And after that, you know how to factorize it, right, Pranav?
Just do a quadratic equation.
Yes, quadratic factoring. Can I move on? Guys, can I go ahead? Can I move on to the second problem?
Yeah. If you're trying to explain something, you're on mute.
Thanks, Arya. So you have to remember the formula a cube minus b cube. So you have to remember this formula to factorize this. But the problem is, this is a cube. A cube is a cube, b cube is a cube. But 54 and 128 are not cubes, right? That's the biggest problem with this factorization. So what I would want to do is, let me try taking out something common, meaning anytime if my numbers don't work right, I try to split them and see. Now this is 3 times 18, right? 2 times 9, a cube. Let me try to cut into pieces at 128. Let me see what is coming. 342 will be there. Now again 21 times 2 times 7 times 3. Did you guys get it? Something feels good about this. Now, but how to make it into a cube? I don't know. A cube minus, did we do 128 correctly? Looks like we didn't. Okay. Looks like we didn't. 8, 9, 10, 11. See, we didn't do this correctly. There should be something out common there. See, then that is easy. 32, 2, 16, 2, 8. It all comes with practice, guys, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 twos are there. Then 7 twos are there means, see, I can take, okay, now I can take what as common? I can take 1, 2 as common. If I take 1, 2 as common, this become 27 a cube. Both are cubes. And then I have already taken 1, 2 as common. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twos are there. So I can write it out as 4 cube. Can I write it out as 4 cube, b cube? Am I making sense? 4, 4, 4, right? 4 cube. So this I can write it out as 3 cube. Do you see it, guys? So 2 times 3a the whole cube minus 4b the whole cube I can write. Right? Now this becomes my a, this becomes my b. It is like a cube minus b cube will be a minus b times a square minus ab plus b square, correct? Now a minus b is, don't forget the 2, because when you write the complete factorization, that 2 needs to be included, okay? So let me write it up, okay? 2 times 3a minus 4b, that is this one. And then 9a square minus 12ab plus 16b square. Any questions, guys? Arya, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Something
Wait,
similar.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma?
Would be because it's difference of cubes, wouldn't it be plus 12ab?
Yes, yes. I take back. Sorry. Here. Yes. This will be plus. If it would have been plus, then it would have been minus. Agreed. Can I move on? Can we go ahead?
Yeah.
Now let me see. I am seriously, I need some input from you guys, I feel. Let's see. How about this, guys? Are you able to use whatever methods we expressed now to factorize this? Let's see. Okay, guys, I think you're able to do this. Can I move on, guys? Guys, if you're not getting it, you'll have to send it because I'm expecting a couple of people to send it to me, but I'm not getting the answer. How about this? This is on complex numbers. I don't think I'll be able to cover the entirety of whatever we want to review, but let's see. An expression involving complex numbers is shown below. Which expression is the simplified complex number? I'm not giving you the choices, okay? Maybe in your exam, they'll give you choices, okay? I'm not giving you the choices here. That's a good way of learning it better.
Miss Priya.
Dhwani, Sahil, Shragvi, good job. Pranav V, Arya, Adav. Pranav K, I didn't get it from you. I don't know. If you didn't get it,
No,
just
I
let
didn't
me
do
know.
it.
You got
I didn't do it. I was still working on it.
You're doing it, but are you understanding it?
I was understanding. I just didn't do it.
Okay, no problem. Vagni, how about you, ma?
I'm just I'm sorry, I can't talk. I'm solving it right now.
Okay. I'm glad. Started seeing your homework, Vagni. Sahil. I'm checking. Correct, Amma. Sahil, that is right. Very nice, Sahil. Okay. Okay, I'll give you good amount of homework which you can do as a nice review, guys. If you have any questions, ping me and I would be happy to solve it for you if you need. Anyway, I'm giving the solution key as well. You get it? Oh, but these are not required. 7F is not required. Why is this coming in this? What's a part of 7B? Okay, polynomials is good. Okay, so let me go back. Quick search. I
Miss
would
Priya,
like
is my answer correct?
to. I got 4 nuances. Okay. Dhwani, you got it right. Pranav V, that is incorrect. Arya, that is incorrect. Pranav K, that is incorrect. Shragvi, very good job, ma. How are you doing, Shragvi?
I'm good.
Are you able to use what we learned here, Shragvi?
Yeah.
Oh, good to know. But is there a topic that you're struggling in school and you would like me to go over? If there is something like that, you should always message in advance for the
Okay.
class.
Yeah.
Something is very tough and you have an upcoming test, message me, whoever it is, right? Not just for Shragvi.
When Miss Priya resend my answer.
Yes, ma. Quadratic, give me 1 minute. I'm just trying to get something on. Not polynomials, but I would like to see 3 variable 3 equations. A word problem. So that is a little tough on you guys. So I really want to do something. Give me a minute. Equation in one variable including distributed. Solve linear inequalities. 2 linear equations with 2 variables. But I thought, okay, let's solve a linear quadratic system next. That I have not even solved one in class, I feel. Pranav, you corrected your answer. Good job. Vagmi, that seems wrong. Arya, you corrected it. Adav, correct. Parvini, that doesn't seem right, ma. Okay, I'm going to do it on the board for those of you guys who didn't get it. It's really okay. But then please, here see 6i 9 by 2 minus I, right? Minus 4, 3 by 4 plus 5i, right? So here you just multiply like this 6i times 9 by 2 minus I times 6. Now again multiply minus 4 times 3 by 4. The minus 4 is distributed. So minus 4 times 5i. Now, please consider this as a term, this as a term. Then you will never make mistakes. Okay, now let's do this one. Now, 6 by 2 is 3. So, 3i times 9. So, that becomes 27i. The next one is I square, 6i square. I square is a minus 1, so it becomes a plus 6. Then 4 and 4 would get cancelled, 4 by 4, right? Minus 3 plus 20i, plus 3 minus 3 minus 20i. Now minus 3 minus 20i. So combine these two, 7i plus 3. Any questions, guys? Those of you who did make a mistake, please raise if you didn't understand. Can I move on? Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, I really want to solve one linear quadratic system, which I have not solved in class. I feel bad, but I would like to solve at least now. Okay, this one was the one that we skipped. How about this? 2x minus y. This is a linear system. Why it is a linear system? When you consider y equal to equation, right? There is the leading power of x is 1. That is why it's called a linear function. If something like this comes in, or y equal to x square plus 1, this becomes a quadratic system. Okay, now linear quadratic system means you're given a linear equation and a quadratic equation. See, y plus 6 equal to 2 times x plus 1 the whole square. So this is linear, this is quadratic. Given this, can here I would like to see you solve this linear quadratic system. Meaning, how do you solve a linear quadratic system? You know what y is. From this equation, what you can say, y will be equal to 2x minus 3. Substitute that into this equation. 2x minus 3 plus 6 equal to 2x square plus 2x plus 1, right? 2x square plus 4x plus 2. This side will be 2x plus 3, right? Now, when you combine both, right? Meaning 2x square plus 4x minus 2x plus 2 minus 3 will be 0. 2x square plus 2x minus 1 will be equal to 0. Am I making sense, guys? Does it make sense? So here, can we go ahead and see how to solve this equation? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Divide by 2. Minus 2 plus or minus. Oh my gosh, it's not writing on the other side. So I'll write it down here. Minus 2 plus or minus 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Square root of 12. That is square root of 12 is 2 root 3, right? Divide by 4. That seems horrible. Wait, something feels wrong to me. Did we do it correctly? 2x minus 3. Okay, 2x minus 3, that will be equal to y. We did it correctly. Equal to 2 times x square plus 2x plus 1. You can pick out on me if you see problems. You're very welcome to. Plus 4x minus 2x. Yeah, we did it correctly. 2x square. No, I did it.
Miss Priya.
Yama?
In the square root, negative 4 times negative 1 times 2 is 8, right?
4 2s are 8. So it will become a plus 8. 8 plus 4 is root 12. This becomes root 12 was what I thought.
Oh.
Correct? Which is 2 root 3. Correct?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, your answer's correct. You just need to divide everything by 2 to simplify it.
Okay, minus 1 plus or minus root 3 by 4. Are you getting this?
I go over 2. I
By
go
2. Sorry, yeah, by 2. Did you find the point of intersection? Oh, I am checking the answer in the wrong place. Okay, guys, we are right. Sorry, guys, I'm checking the answer incorrectly. This is correct. Sorry. Minus 1 plus or minus 3 root 2, which is correct actually. So that is the value of x. You'll have to substitute this value of x if you want to find the y value. It's a complicated problem. Okay, so that xy value, basically this is a line, right? So you'll see a line like this here. Here, it's going to be a quadratic line. So we are trying to understand what are the points of intersection. So basically there'll be 2 points of intersection. So see, there are 2 points, 2x is coming. One x value is 1 minus 1 plus root 3 by 2. The other x is minus 1 minus root 3 by 2, right? For this one, you have to substitute that x into this equation, find out y. That will be the y value here. Did you guys get it? Those two are the point of intersection for the linear quadratic system. Can we go ahead and do one more linear quadratic system, guys? How about this? I would really like to solve this one. This is a good one, nice one to do. Can I move on? Okay, how about this? Y will be equal to 1 by 4 x minus 3 the whole square. This is a quadratic system. What's a linear system? When you put y equal to equation, you should have x power of 1. Try this one. I'll give you a detailed review, but what I'm not getting is the 3 variable equations, which is still okay for me, but I will try to send it in the homework. Let's try now. Oh, you had Gaussian elimination as well as a part of this, right, guys?
Yeah.
D. Okay. P, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'll give you 2 reviews. One is on polynomials, one is related to the module 5. Make sense? Please split, try, do, then go for the exam. We can do one more word problem on this is what I feel. Let's see. I want to do one word problem on this one. Sometimes you have to find, if you have a negative length or negative time, you should understand that you can omit those values.
And then for the x value, are we supposed to get something like a square root of something?
For the current problem on the board, ma?
Yeah, like once you solve for x.
1 second. Wait. What is that? 1 by 4. You're getting what value? No, it's a nice number, no?
Okay, let me do it again then.
Yeah, maybe. See, there's a typo in the book. Honestly, there's a typo because, yeah, there is a typo in the book, but I can do it on the board. Let's see. You want me to, I would like to give you one word problem too on this because it's something we have never done and it's left out. Correct. All of you got it. Adav, Sahil, Arya. There is no union here, Arya, because two different points are intersection points.
I meant and, not.
Yeah. I'm fine. I'm fine as long as you understand. I can do it on the board. Shagvi, did you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. So let's see, guys. I can do it on the board as well for those of you who didn't get it to expedite this and move on to one word problem. Here, what I do, I can find the y value. That's the easiest way I feel. So 2y will be equal to 3x minus 13. Y will be equal to 3x minus 13 by 2. Now 3x minus 13 by 2 is y, right? So plug this into here will be equal to 1 by 4 x minus 3 the whole square, right? So this is 2, this is 4. So this becomes a 2. Now 6x minus 26 will be equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x. This is a minus b the whole square. Now x square minus 12x plus 26 will be equal to 0. So when I solve this equation, how do I solve this equation? Something feels so wrong. 26 comes, this has become C. I forgot to add plus 26 plus 9, right? So I forgot to add that. So x square minus 12x plus 35 equal to 0. Then this is easy to solve. I'm clearly seeing x square minus 7x minus 5x plus 35 plus 35. So let me solve it here. This continues here. Now x minus 7, x minus 5, x equal to 7 or 5. Now there are 2 points, right? When you substitute x equal to 7 here, what happens? That becomes 21. 21 minus 13 is 8. 8 is equal to 2y, y equal to 4. So this is for x equal to 7. So this is 1 point. 7 comma 4 is 1 point. The second point is if I substitute 5. So 15 minus 13 is 2. 2 equal to 2y, y equal to 1. So y equal to 1, x will be equal to 5. These are the 2 points of intersection. Shagvi, are you with me? Did you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, one word problem, guys, then I'll let you go. How about this? I'm going to opt for a simpler problem, guys. But I want some value to be meaningless and you have to find the reasonableness of the solution. Meaning, certain times you cannot take everything as a solution in this. Because if they give you a word problem, it's more like you have to omit some. Let's see that one now. Okay. I'll write out the problem for you quickly. We will do this and then log off. I throw a quarter from a building, from the top of a building. At the same time, a balloon is released. The equation describing the height y above the ground. The equation describing height y. Describing height y above ground of the quarter in feet. Of the quarter in feet is what? Y will be equal to 64 minus 2x square. X is equal to time in seconds. Now, elevation of the balloon in feet. elevation of the balloon is balloon in feet. That is given by y equal to 6x plus 8, x equal to time in seconds again. Now, after how many seconds? After how many seconds will they pass each other? After how many seconds will the balloon and quarter pass each other? Will the balloon and quarter pass each other? Can we do this one problem? It's not a hard one. But one is a linear, one is a quadratic. You have to check your answer for reasonableness. In this case, usually what kids miss is, you'll just give out both the answers. No. Is that answer valid for this context? You need to check. Okay, Pranav, good job, Pranav. Okay, but did you omit any answer there, and why did you omit?
Did you send me?
You sent an answer, right? That answer seems correct.
Oh, I omitted the negative answer because
Good
there
job.
can be negative seconds.
Correct. So negative time, negative length, all these you should check for reasonableness of answers in linear quadratic system, and that's something you would miss in an exam and points will be detected. Pranav, if you understood it, you can log off, Pranav. And we are meeting after the break, Pranav. Have a nice break. Safe travels to you if you're traveling.
3 weeks.
Uh,
Like,
oh, you're traveling for 3 weeks?
no. I mean, is the next class in 3 weeks? Because there isn't gonna be Sunday class, right? For the next,
Next Sunday, we're not going to have?
and then the following 2 Sundays.
Yep. Yeah.
So starting in the new year.
In the new year, we'll start. I'll send out the details, ma.
Okay.
So when is the next class?
When is the next class? Question you're asking, January first week, ma. The date I have to determine and send it to your parents in the email, if that's okay with you. Does it make sense?
They're on the 5th?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Are you able to see now, Adav? Adav? Are you able to see now? Dhwani, good job. Adav, good job. Sahil, good job. Did you see that all of you guys, you removed one negative answer. So please check for reasonableness. The review has a lot of questions on reasonableness as well.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Taima. Did you get it? Pranav, correct. V. Arya, correct.
You said I got it
Bye,
correct.
Miss Priya.
Yes, Madhwani. Thanks.
Bye.
All the best, guys.
Thank-
Parvini, did you get it?
I can just see the problem right now, so I'm trying to solve it.
Okay. Ragvi, correct. Vagmi, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm solving it now.
Okay. I'm going to wait, finish, and then let me know as well. Geometric kids, just bear with me for another few minutes. They will finish in a while.
Miss Priya, I sent you my answer.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. You can leave, ma. Parvini, good job. Vagmi, where is our answer for Vagmi? Vagmi?
I just sent
Hmm?
I just sent it.
No, Vagmi. Why did we not get it? 64 minus 2x square equal to 6x plus 8. Just solve that, right?
Oh, right, my bad.
Square plus 6x minus 56, right, equal to 0. So can you solve for this one? When you take 2 as common, this will be minus 1 1, 2, 8 equal to 0. So here the possible values are 7 and 4, right? So basically 7 and 4 means plus 7x minus 4x, right? So it will be x equal to minus 7, x equal to 4. X equal to minus 7 is an invalid answer based on the context because the time in seconds can't be negative. So after 4 seconds, they pass each other. Make sense?
I did the wrong thing. My bad.
But did you get it now?
I got it. Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah,
have a nice break, Ma. Bye. Sorry, guys. Always I run over that class, right? Yeah, that one is a algebra 2 class.